That's a giant. Oh, that's a giant. Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? I'm at a new spot. I went and fished a favorite spot of mine and there was just absolutely nothing. Massive gar just rolled. I'm excited. We got a good bit of bait and maybe I can run to my truck and get my cast net. There's a bunch of mullet right here, but I think I should be okay for now. But I think we're gonna get something nice. I just want to catch something. I've been struggling. Alrighty. I highly doubt there's any buffalo in here in this body of water. If there are, it's probably not many, but there's a ton of mullet. So I think I might have better luck using that. Let's see if we can get some. That should be a bunch. Yep. Let's go ahead and throw this chunk out. That's a giant. Oh, that's a giant. Oh, that's a giant. Oh my word, how big is this fish? Oh my word. Dude, this is a monster. Please stay on. Please stay on. I just want to see you. Please stay on. Come on, give me a jump. I think he's gonna jump. I think he's gonna jump. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. It's a giant. Holy smokes. It's a giant. Am I recording? Yes. That is a giant. I did not expect this caliber of fish out of here, to be honest. That's why you never know, and you just throw big baits and hope for the best. I still don't know how big he is, though. Like, how big he truly is. He's so heavy. He's so heavy. Oh my gosh. How big are you? Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh, how big is this fish? Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that's a perfect hook set too. It's right in the corner of his mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, let's get the rope. Okay, I gotta be careful with this rope job because he's hooked good, but it's not in there super tight, I don't think. That didn't work. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, gotcha. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Holy smokes, he's a lot bigger than I thought. He is a lot bigger than I thought. Look at that fish. Oh, let's go. Oh my word, how big are you? Oh my word. Let's get a measurement on her. 69.5 inches. That's like 9.5, yeah. All right, let's get the hook out of this big girl and go ahead and send her on back. I'm a tagger too. This is a really big one. Dang, dude. Look at that. Oh my word. That is a nice one, dude. There we go. Okay. All right, you guys. 69.5 inches. However big that is, I don't know. 5 foot 9.5, I think. That is a big fish. That is a very big fish. Let's go get this out of your mouth. Let's go ahead and let this go, bro. Look at that fish. Beautiful creature. Thanks for the fight. Got you tagged. Go get bigger. All right, we just got one. It picked it up like 2 seconds ago. I think I'm just gonna set the hook, see if I can catch it. I already caught a big one. Let's just see what happens. Oh gosh, is this a nice one? Is this even a gar? He feels pretty nice. Dude, what is this? What is this? It is a gar. Oh, and I am soaked. My word. He got that bait in his mouth quick. He's a lightly colored one. Oh my gosh, dude, he's so strong for size. What's up, little dude? Let's get you back. All right, what is this? Is this even a gar, dude? He's rolling. Yep, it's a gar. Definitely not as big as the last one I got on this rod. But I feel some nice head shakes. Come on, give me a jump. Nope. Oh, he's actually good sized. He's actually good sized. Yeah. That's a nice one. Oh my word. All right, buddy. I see that bait right there, so I'm just gonna pull him up by the line. I usually don't do that, but if I could see the bait and I know it's not anywhere near his gills or anything, I'll do it. Okay. All right, buddy. Let's go ahead and let you go. You're a feisty one. I don't want to pick you up. Alrighty, you guys, that does it for today. Extremely successful little outing. I've only been out of here like 2 hours, so awesome little spot. Glad I found this area. It is going to be getting cold in the next couple months, so I'm going to try to catch as many gar and as big of gar as I can. So might be back here, we'll see. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next fishing video.